I was thinking today, actually yesterday and today, the day before, about something that I admit that I'm really bad at, and I think a lot of girls my age are, and they just don't want to admit it or they don't realize that they do it. So I just want to talk about it. And basically, it's the fact that whenever you meet somebody new, you automatically jump to the conclusion of, oh, well, I could date them or I see a future with them when you don't even really know the person. So you either A, end up getting hurt, or B, you just completely don't know this person and then they end up liking you and then you get freaked out and you don't know how to handle a situation. So I made a promise to myself that I am not going to jump to those conclusions anymore. And if I find interest in somebody, they need to be my best friend before they can be anything else. And I think that's a really big part of relationship struggles these days, is that people just jump to these conclusions and they just put titles on what they are, and they want the whole world to know their title of relationship or boyfriend or girlfriend or engaged. And I just think that that is something that should be between you and the person that you're with, or the person you're talking to, or your best friend, or whatever the circumstance is, and not the whole world needs to know. It just needs to be between you two, having fun, living your life, and enjoying each other. Just put down your phones and enjoy your time together, because I am so guilty of always being on my phone and not enjoying things and then regretting it. So I'm no longer jumping to conclusions. I don't want titles. I just want a best friend, and we'll see where life takes me from there. I'm really focused on school and myself right now, so that's the only thing I can do for me. Remember, compliments, people. Love you guys. Bye.